We're ready for math today, math being Monday, March 30th. For math today, you'll need 2 sheets. You need your quiz 12. It's just the front. Quiz 12. Looks like this. Okay? And then you will also need pages 245 to pages 246. Okay? So let's go over the quiz first, what you'll be doing today. All right, so if everybody's ready, your quiz today. Number 1, if the product is incorrect, circle it. Write the correct product in the blank. So you look at 1A. You're using your 9 table here. You can use a table that you already have written for your quiz, not for test. So if you have the 9 table, get it out. If you don't, I suggest you write it for this quiz. So you'll look at 1A and you'll say 9 times 3 equals 24. Now, if you look at it and you say, yep, I think that's right, then you just go ahead to the next one. But if you look at it and you say 9 times 3 equals 24, if you think that is not correct, then you circle 24 and you would write the correct product or answer on the blank. We've done these on our math sheets before. Okay, those are 2 points apiece. I would know you guys would be asking that. Number 2, write the missing term. Okay, write the missing term. What divided by 8 equals 9? Okay, so you're writing those answers in the blank. Think about them. These are 3 points apiece. If they are a division problem, you know you can say, I can check this by saying, is, for 2A, is 9 times 8 what I wrote in that blank? Always remember to check it by the opposite process. Number 3, you're writing the answers. Please be careful with these. We went over some of these special numbers last week, I think, with Rachel. So keep them in mind. You may not use the back of your book if you don't know them. These are 2 points apiece. Number 4, you are list the numbers you could use to reduce each fraction. Then circle the best choice. And we remember that the best choice means the highest number you can use. That's the best one. Okay? So you have 6 24ths. So you would write the numbers that you see both 6 and 24 on their table. So you would look at the 1 table. I don't know. I don't think I see 24. Look at the 2 table. Look at the 3. And just keep thinking about those tables where you see both a 6 and a 24. When you get your numbers, circle the highest number, the best choice. 2 points each there. And then number 5, you will reduce to lowest terms. So for 5A, it's just like 4A, it's 6 24ths. You just take the number that you chose and divide 6 24ths by it and write the answer in the blank. Okay? So we've divided a number over a number. We've done that before. Okay? And these are 3 apiece at the bottom, 3 points apiece. Okay? So that's your quiz 12. When you finish your quiz 12 in your book, we always do a page after we have finished our quiz. So you'll turn in your quiz. I do need a picture of it sent to me so I can grade it, so I can kind of keep our grades up as we're going. When you finish, you're going to take out page 245 and 246 out of your book and work on those. Okay? Number 1, you're solving the story problem. Number 1A is going to be 3 steps. Okay? So please, if you need help with that, you ask. And if you need further help, please feel free to text me. But you'll have 3 steps. So you'll have 2 pieces of information that you're going to need to find out before you can answer the question. Okay? They don't give you all the information you need, but once you do those steps, you can solve the problem. And B is just 1 step there. So that's great. All right. Number 2, you are identifying the geometric shapes. If you have forgotten those are in the back of your book in your glossary. Now, number 3, grab your pencil. With it being National Pencil Day. Oh, I have another pencil, a different kind here. This is a clicky pencil. I like those too. So for number 3, I want you to circle, okay? You're going to do 3B and 3D. 3B and 3D only. You don't have to do A and C right now, okay? Those are just review. Number 4, so flip over to the back. Number 4, list the numbers you could use to reduce each fraction and circle the best choice. Okay, now I'm going to do 4A with you quickly. Okay, 4A, you have 9/15. Well, I always think, can I use the 9? Well, I can use 9 divided by 9, but not 15 divided by 9. That's not an even divide. So I think, what table can I find both 9 and 15 in my products? Well, 9 and 15 are both odd numbers. So I wouldn't use 2, I wouldn't use 4. So I'm thinking about never use 1. You can always find all these numbers on 1. That's like the lowest. Never use 1. Never start with 1. So let's start with 3. 9 divided by 3, that's 3. 15 divided by 3, that's 5. Now, when I go to the 5 table, if that doesn't work, I don't need to go any higher. I have found my answer. So the answer to 4A would be 3 there. Okay, so you can do the rest of those there. Thinking again, don't start with the 1 table. 2 and above. Can I find both 6 and 9 on the 2 table? No, not 9. And then you move to the 3 table. You can find both 6 and 9 there. So that's how you would do those. Number 5, you go back up. 5A, you go back up to 4A, grab that number you chose, and then reduce. So for 5A, quickly, you have 9/15 divided by 3/3. Where did I get 3 from? 4A. It matches. So quickly, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So that answer there would be 3/5. And if you can do this step in your head, you don't have to come under and write it. But if you want to come under your problem and write it out, you're welcome to do that. Number 6, you're writing your products. This is your 10 and 11 table. Please don't think you're going to have any problems with those, but be careful with 6B. That's not 121 there. So be careful there. Use those tables, don't guess. Number 7, write the Arabic number. So you have XXIX quickly so you can get to your quiz. So number 7A, XXIX, 10, 10, 1, oh, sorry, 10, 10, 10, 1, 10. Oh, I see right here I have 10 plus 10 equals 20. I'm good. And this right here would be 9. So we have 10, 20, 29 would be our answer there. Okay? Those are simple. You can do the rest of those. Number 8, fill in the blanks with less than or greater than. You're just comparing your measurements there, whether it be liquid or by length, however they are. Quarts to pecks. Yep, quarts are less than pecks. Yep, they're smaller than pecks. Okay? The peck, remember the peck was like our black trash can? Okay, and then we had our quart, which was, I think, my cup. by Jacob. I think that's what it was. Anyway, so quart is less than a peck. All right? So again, your assignment today, your quiz, and then page 245 and page 246. And just make sure I get a copy, a picture of your quiz sent to me that is for grade. Okay? So if you're following to our next subject, after math, we will have reading. So take your time on your quiz. It's no rush. I just need it sometime today, not right this second. So just take your time, think about it. If you get stuck on a problem, just put a question mark beside it and then move on and come back to it once you've had a minute to kind of refresh your mind. Okay? So we'll move to reading next.